Day 2. Trying to find something to do. I'm not even going anywhere. My house is just really freaking cold. My number 3 New Year's goal was to cut people out. And the problem with that is a lot of the people that I know are so, especially the ones that live closest. So, there's that. I clearly haven't gotten better at this whole awkward thing. But yeah, we'll see. That was a good one. Why did you waited until the camera beeped?
I didn't plan to.
Oh, that was funny. Okay. So, to make up for the lack of footage today, here is... I was gonna put it on my dog and my sister. I was gonna put it on my dog and my sister just gets like really Bambi-eyed and goes...
That was supposed to be a glare, idiot.
But you can't open your eyes. That's not a glare.
Fine,
okay.
It's supposed to be Tony eyes. Abby?
So here is a pretty little puppy sleeping. Except she's not little.
Nor is she sleeping.
365 days of this.
Why do you have to do these things to me?
Isn't she cute? She's adorable. She is an English Mastiff. And she's, I was getting there. How many months? She'll be 6 months on the 19th. And she takes up the entire ottoman already. It's crazy. Now I'm going to show my other dog, who's my dog. Because she's adorable too. I will not show my sister because she's being a baby.
I'm not being a baby, but I look like shit.
So do I. I don't even have makeup on. And Ashy Poo, who's actually just Ash, is... I don't know how old she is. She's a few years old.
You got her when I was in 8th grade.
And you're a senior now?
Yes.
So she's like 5 years old. And she is a Cocker Spaniel Basset Hound mix. That's why she looks like a derp. And my stepdad named her Ash because of this right here. So now you know. And yeah, hopefully this got it up to at least like 4 or 5 minutes footage. Like I said, tomorrow will be better. Thanks. I don't know what that is. Just me just being obnoxious. Okay. Bye guys. You okay there?